Hello everyone. So in this class we will discuss about 4-bit parallel subtractor. So last class I mentioned that the subtraction is a different story and we cannot subtract numbers in by digital electronics. Instead of that we take complement of the second numbers and we add to the first one. Let's see an example. Suppose we are in real numbers we are taking these two, 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So how we are going to do this one in binary numbers? So we can represent this one as 5 as 0 1 0 1. So this is 5 minus 3 is represented as 0 0 1 1. So this is 3. So how we can do these subtractions? So we need to take 2s complement of this number and we need to add to first number. This is how we do subtraction in binary numbers. So what is the 2s complement of this one? For taking 2s complement, we take 1s complement first and we add 1 to the least significant bit. So the 1s complement means we convert all zeros to 1 and 1s to zeros. That is the 1s complement. So 1s complement of this one is 1 1 0 0. So this is the 1s complement of this number and we need to add 1 to the least significant bit. So you will get 1 0 1 1. So this is the 1 1 0 1. So this is the 2s complement of this number. Now we add this number to the first number. So 0 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 1. How we perform this one? 1 plus 1 is 0 and there is a carry and that is we put here, and 1 plus 0 is 1. This is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is again 0 and this carry is going here, and this 1 plus 1 is 0 1, and there is a carry generated here. There is a final carry number is here. So this we will discard. In 2s complement case we add these numbers, we add the 2s complement of the second number with the first number, and if there is a carry generated here we discard this number. So this is what? This is equivalent to 2. So that means 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is how we do subtraction in the case of binary numbers. And suppose there is no carry here. If there is no carry here, we again need to take 2s complement of this number. So that will be the answer. Anyway, this is how we do subtraction in the case of binary numbers. Now we want to do this kind of subtraction using full adder, and just like we did 4-bit adder circuit, parallel adder circuit, we need to construct a 4-bit parallel subtractor circuit. So for that we need to use full adder circuit. So since there is 4 bits, we need to use 4 full adders. So this is FA. So we need to use 4 full adders for FA1, FA2, FA3 and FA4. And for the first full adder there is a difference because we are in this case we are doing subtractions. So for doing subtraction, how we do that? We take complement of second bit number. So if you are taking A and B are the two 4-bit numbers, we can represent this as A3, A2, A1, A0 and B3, B2, B1, B0. So for the second number we need to take second complement and we are adding. So if you want to use full adder circuit, we need to take second complement of this number. So how we take complement? For doing 2s complement, we take 1's complement first of the second number and we add 1 to that. So for doing that we just complement this number. So if this digit is 0, we want to make it 1, and if this digit is 1, we want to make it 0. If 0, 1, 1, 0. So we just want to complement this one, but we also want to add 1. So how we do that? We have a carry digits here. So the input carry, in the previous case in the full adder circuit we take that one as 0, but in this case we need to take it as 1 because we need to add digit 1. So normally this will be equal to 1. So that means 1 means we are connecting this one to some positive voltage, some supply. So this will be 1. Here the input will be 1, and these are the digits. So this is A0, and for doing B0 we need to complement that. So if you want to take this complement operations, we can use which gate? We can use NOT gate. So for doing B0, the B0 input has to give to NOT gate, and this is the input. So A0 and B complement. So these are the two inputs. Again you will get a some digits here, so that is S0. That will be the subtraction because we are adding A and the complement of second bit number. 2's complement, that for that we add 1 here. So there will be a carry here. So this is C0, and again this is A1, B1. For B1 we want to take the complement. So in all these B digits we take complement. And this is A2, B2 complement. So B2 NOT gate complement, and A3, B3 is given through NOT gate, and this is the C1, C2, and this is the final carry here, and here you will get S1, S2, S3. So if there is a carry generated here, we need to consider that. So this is C3.